Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield. You are not authorized to pilot this ship error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So what I am going to show you are the possible reasons for getting this error message in the Starfield and along with their solutions. So first is the inadequate credentials. So for some ships in the game, you may need specific licenses and certifications to pilot them. These documents are necessary as you cannot access the ship's control without them. It would be best to get the missing credentials to pilot the ship, and getting such credentials may require talking with relevant authorities. The next is lack of training and piloting skills. In addition to the credentials, you must have the necessary skills and training to pilot the ship. You need to invest skill points in the pilot tab to get this, and you may need to progress to a specific point to unlock these skills in Starfield. Hence, make sure to spare some skill points for piloting skills as you get access to a new range of ships and gain a significant boost in many in-flight parameters. So hiring a crew member with high piloting skills can also fix this error. So for example, you will need rank 3 piloting skill to pilot Class B spaceships. And then next is the ownership. So only the individual who has direct ownership of the spaceship can pilot it. The ship's owner can lock it, preventing you from piloting it. Only claiming ship ownership will allow you to pilot it in the Starfield. So to get the ownership of a ship, you need to visit a sport technician. Spaceport technician, you have to register that stolen ship as your own. Doing so will make it available on the spaceport as your ship. Then lastly is the factional disputes. So if a ship belongs to a faction that does not want you to pilot it, it can do so by preventing authorizations of said ship. Your past actions or reputation may cause this behavior by certain factions in Starfield. So you can gain access to the ship by befriending or the faction that owns it. So you can progress through the request line or use persuasion skills depending on the situation. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.